Hello and welcome back to Zoom Maths. This is Aram Faraz. In this video, I'm going to record and show you how to square numbers close to 500. This is very similar to how we squared numbers close to 50. Just 2 points to be noted over here. When you're squaring a number close to 500, you need to keep an eye on the reference number and the base number. Okay, so let's take this number. Let's say let's do basic one, 500 square. Okay, 500 square is nothing but 5 square is 25 followed by 4 zeros. Okay, now over here 250 becomes your reference number, and this remaining 3 digits we'll use it to add the square of the number. Then 500 is your base number, this is your reference number. And then if you take a number, let's say 501, then this 1 becomes your deviation from base. It could be +1 or -1, don't worry, it doesn't impact our answer. Okay, so 3 things you need to look into a number. They are the base. Okay, so that's your base 500, reference 250. So you take reference number as 250 plus something. Okay, and 501 is your, in this the 1 is your deviation. So let's say if you get a number 501 square, then what you would do is you will just take the reference number 250 plus add this deviation of 1 over here, it becomes 251. And then you have those 3 dashes remaining over there. You just go and put the value of this deviation square, that is 001. Okay, 001, you put it like this. If you have 11, then you're gonna write 121. If you have say 11 square, right? And if you have say 7 square, 49, you will just use 2 spaces. Okay, let's do some problems and understand this. Get started. 3 square. Okay, find out 3 square. So reference number is 250 plus 3, and then you write the value of 3 square. 3 square is 009. So 250 plus 3 is what? You're going to make it as 253,009 is your answer. In one line, you could square a number in just one line in less than 3 seconds also. Let's take one more example. 506 square. 506 square is 250 plus 6, 256,036 is your answer. It's one liner. Let's take the next one. 509 square. 509 square is equal to 259,081, your answer. So how do you get that? So you get 250 plus 9, the deviation is 9 over here from 500. The base number is 500, deviation is 9, and reference number is 250. Then you square the deviation, and put it over here. Since it is a 3-digit number, you put 3 zeros over here, because we saw in the beginning that 500 to 500 is going to give you 25 followed by 4 zeros. So first 3 digits will be taken care by the reference number and the numbers which we are there, like you see here. Okay, then rest will be given for the other numbers. Okay, fine. Let's do one more problem. 527 square. 527 square. So this is gonna be 250 plus 27. Okay, that's nothing but 277, and then 27 square. 27 square is 729. Okay, that's so easy. See, it's always prudent. Okay, it's always prudent and better to memorize squares. Please memorize squares from 1 to 25. Memorize squares from 1 to 25. You'll be able to do all the squares from 1 to 100 also, if you know squares from 1 to 25 using the base numbers or numbers close to 50, or the other techniques I showed you. You can do all these squares. Okay, please, 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 please memorize. Please memorize squares from 1 to 25 at least. Okay, then you can use these steps and get the answers for the other numbers, right? Let's go ahead quickly. 532 square. 532 square is 282, and 32 square is 1024. So I carry that one over here. It's 283. 024 is your answer. How do you get this? Again, the base number is 500, your deviation is 32, your reference number is 250. So you take the square of the deviation, you put it over here, that's 1024. You take the deviation and again you add it to the reference number. 250 plus 32 is 282. Okay, that's how simple is it. Okay, now let's look for squares less than 500. Now let's look for squares of numbers less than 500 but near to 500, but close to 500. If it's away from 500, I've recorded another video that shows how to square a 3-digit number, but for numbers close to 500, this is the easiest way of doing it. Okay, next let's go ahead. Let's take the first number, 498 square. Okay, so very simple. Your reference number is 250. Again 250, and now you'll minus 2 from that, so it becomes 248. Again, your deviation, you will again square the deviation and put it over here, 0, 0 and 4. So your answer is 248004. That's the answer. Okay, so simple. So in numbers above 500, you add the deviation. In numbers below 500, you subtract the deviation. In numbers above 500, you add the deviation. See here, you add the deviation. In numbers below 500, you subtract the deviation. Okay, let's go to the next one. 481 square. So that's gonna be like 231 and 19. So deviation is 19 from 50. Okay, from 500. So deviation 19 square is 361. See, one line answers. You're getting answers one line. As so fast. 475 square. So again, deviation is 25. 225. That's 250 minus 25 is 225. 625 is 25 square. Right? This is nothing but the square of deviation. 25 square. This is 250 minus the deviation. Okay, how is that? So simple. Okay, let's take one more problem. 496 square. Okay, 246, you reduce 4, 246 and 016, one liner. 477 square. Okay, let's take this. 477 square is equal to, you make this as 477 is 23 less than 250, so that's going to be like 227, and then you're going to take 23 square, 23, 29, 529. Okay, next another one, 487 square. 487 square is 237 and 13 square, 169. Okay, get that? So that's it for numbers below 500. That's how you're gonna do it. So that's how you start practicing some problems, and you can get the answers for numbers close to 500. Use 250 as the reference number, 500 as the base number. Find the deviation, and the deviation, square the deviation, get the answers. Fine, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. This is Arham Faraz from Zoom Maths. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Do subscribe to my channel. Kindly share with your friends. Add a comment and like the channel if you actually like the videos. Bye bye.